So on the whole, this next question was very well answered. What you needed to do, because this is the cost per parcel. So we had to do 15.25 times 12, which gave us £183. And then we needed to do 31.28 times 12 to work out the cost of sending them all rapidly, which gave us £375.36. Now the last stage is doing 375.36 minus 183, which gave us the final answer of £192.36. This bottom question, again, lots of people got the right idea. What you needed to be saying was that he has 21 parcels, but he's rounded that down to 20, and he's rounded the price down. So if you do a smaller number times a smaller number, the answer is going to be smaller. Therefore, this answer is smaller than the actual answer. So the actual cost is more than that £300.